Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about top-down and bottom-up approach. My name is Rajita Lokhande. I am from SAS Institute of Management Studies and my subject name is Analysis of Financial Management. So in this video, the contents are components of fundamental analysis. Second one is concept of economy. Third one is industry and company analysis. And next is top-down approach and bottom-up approach. So we will see the fundamental of analysis. The fundamental of analysis consists of three main parts. First is economy analysis, second one is industrial analysis, and third one is company analysis. So first one is economy analysis. So it relates to the analysis of the company, and this related to the study about the economic in details and analyzes whether the economic conditions are favorable for the companies or not. So in economy analysis and essentially entails the evaluation of cost and benefits. In industrial analysis is defined as an assignment tool designed to offer the business entity and comprehensive idea about the complex nature of a specific industry. Next one is company analysis. So company analysis is a process carried out by the investor to evaluate securities collecting into the related to the company's profile, and the company analysis look into the goods and services offered by the company. So FA requires the deep knowledge and financial of analysis requires some skills in that, and with the financial analysis, fundamental analysis can decide for the investment purpose also. So there are the basic concepts in economy. So first is economy in it. So an economy is a system in the way of a nation makes economy choices about how the nation will use in the resources to produce and distribute goods and services. So it means an economy is a large state set of interrelated production and consumption activities that aid in determining how scarce resources are allocated, and households make consumption decisions and own factors of production, and they provide the firms with the factor services in production and buy finished goods from firms for the consumption. The government collect tax from households, buy goods and firms, and distributes those goods to households and individually or collectively. So second are the industry. So in the whole economic activities, companies, peoples and organizations involved in the production of goods and services for the particular field. So industry is a group of companies that are related based on the primary basis business activities. So it aggregates of manufacturing or technically productivity enterprises in a particular field. So some basic concepts about company. So a business entitled which acts as a artificial legal person formed by a legal person or a group of a legal person to engage in a carry on a business industrial enterprises. Next is company analysis. So it is a process carried out by the investors, and the company and industry analysis are related with each other. So company is a legal entity formed by a group of people to engage in business. So companies takes various forms such as voluntary association, which may include non-profit organization, business enterprise, and whose aim is generating profit. So next is top-down approach. So top-down approach in this considering the health of overall economy, analyzing with various microeconomics factors, assessing specific prospects and opportunities. The next is this approach helps new investors who don't have much experience, hidden gems. Next is bottom down approach. So in this, instead of analyzing from the larger side, he directly dives into individual stocks. More efficient, it should be more efficient research on company products, technology, employees performance and productivity, etc. It takes less time to investigate, and also need experienced person in it to work. Thank you.